Every major shift in computing was actually a shift in friction. The command line required memorization, high friction. The mouse allowed exploration, medium friction. The touchscreen allowed manipulation, low friction. The smartphone became the dominant device of the 21st century because it removed abstraction between the user and the data. You didn't click a picture, you touched it. But that curve has flattened. We are now more than 15 years into the smartphone era, and the device that once reduced friction has become the bottleneck. Why? Because the interface is manual, but the data volume is effectively infinite. We are trying to manage terabytes of cloud data, thousands of photos, and continuous streams of communication with a single thumb. Artificial intelligence promises to process the world on our behalf, but you cannot channel a hurricane through a straw. And right now, the smartphone is the straw. To understand why the smartphone is failing AI, you have to examine the app model. Smartphones are organized around applications. Applications are silos. Uber does not communicate with your calendar. Your bank does not coordinate with your shopping cart. Your music app has no awareness of your environment. This isolation is deliberate. It supports security models. It supports business models. But it is hostile to intelligence. Large language models do not reason in isolation. They require shared context. When you use an AI on your phone today, you are not using an AI operating system. You are visiting an AI application. You open it, you issue a request, you receive a response, you close it. That is not integration. That is a search engine with better language, trapped inside the same architecture. As long as AI exists as an icon on a home screen, it is not coordinating your life. It is waiting. And a system that waits is a tool, not an agent. There is a deeper reason the smartphone is the wrong interface for AI. It is not technical, it is economic. The smartphone was perfected to serve the attention economy. Notifications, badges, infinite scroll, pull to refresh. These mechanics exist to keep eyes on glass because attention converts to revenue. True artificial intelligence is incompatible with this model. A fully functional AI should reduce screen time to near zero. It should book the flight, answer the email, and order the groceries without requiring interaction. But if the screen is not unlocked, ads are not seen. If apps are not opened, platforms do not monetize. The smartphone interface is designed to preserve friction just long enough to capture attention. AI is designed to eliminate friction entirely. The hardware is structurally incentivized to resist the software. This conflict becomes obvious when you examine a real workflow. Consider a business trip to Tokyo. On a smartphone, open calendar, check availability, close calendar, open browser, search flights, switch to banking app, check budget, open messaging app, request approval, return to browser, book flight, open hotel app, reserve room. The user becomes the integration layer. Now consider the same task in a context-driven system. You say, book my trip to Tokyo for the Q3 conference. The system already knows the conference dates from email. It knows your loyalty programs. It knows company policy and budget limits. It knows seating and timing preferences. It executes across multiple systems without surfacing interfaces. The screen adds no value here. This is the transition from direct manipulation to agentic computing. In an agentic model, the primary input is permission. The primary output is a completed action. If the screen is a bottleneck, the interface must move. Early attempts are visible now. Many are failing, not because the concept is flawed, but because the hardware is immature. What matters is not the product, it is the direction. Context requires shared reality. Cameras that see what you see, microphones that hear what you hear, sensors that understand environment and state. The smartphone will not disappear. It will retreat. It will remain as a server, processing, networking, authentication. But the interface will leave the phone. It will migrate to ears, eyes, and eventually the environment itself. We are exiting the era of glowing rectangles. We are entering the era of ambient intelligence. The next dominant platforms will not be the ones with the best apps. They will be the ones that make the device disappear entirely.